Kathakali performances. These are some of the artworks that they have laid over here. It started to rain heavily. Just look at this elephant. ये यहाँ This is clearly a very good morning. We have dosas, uttapas, sambar. This is aloo, this is puri, some toast, coffee, chutneys, and my family as well. Good morning. It's 10:30 right now. We are done with our breakfast and all of us are ready and we are about to check out and explore this side of Munnar. So let's go. And additionally, all of us are tripling today. We have different bottoms, but the top is the same. This is a little play area that they have made, and there Krisha is enjoying the same. These are cute little elephants, and then over here some deers. It's 1:30 right now and we are on our way to Thekri, but this is where we've taken a short stop. This beautiful Ganeshji Murti. This is so pretty. I'd seen it online. This is so beautiful. This is the surrounding, and then there is also a small shop for some naan and pani which you can enjoy with this beautiful view. So yeah. Bye. Hello, we are having an elephant ride in this park.
No, bro. Nako. Kalau pura, dijo. भैया उधर उधर फोटो उधर दीजिए
Good evening. It's 5:15 right now, and we are in Thekri. I'm chilling in the balcony, and it's a very beautiful property. The view is again beautiful. So I'll tell you a little backstory of this very day. So basically, the property that we checked out this morning, we were supposed to go for a nice sunrise thing, which was already planned, and we were supposed to go to this sunrise point in Kodukomalai. But because of this weather thing being not like a constant, they told us ki abhi band hai aaj, so we couldn't go for that sunrise thing. So we just had booked that hotel especially for that sunrise thing, but now it's not happened, so it's okay. The property was nice, we enjoyed, and now we are in Thekri. We reached around 3 and we checked in, relaxed, had some food, and now we're probably going for some nearby things to do, and maybe a Kalari and Kathakali show. That's fun. I'm very excited for that, so I'm looking forward to those 2 shows. The balcony, which is the best part. This is the view from our room. This is full greenery, jungle vibes. This is so good. And then you sit over here, relax, have a cup of tea, and then you're done. By the way, this is my POV right now. I'm in my mom-dad's room, chilling over here. So this is the view from their room. I'm just, chilling. Now we are here for the Kalari art show. It's just about to begin. So I'm very excited. That's the auditorium. It's having a capacity of 250 people. And they've just lit up the lamps. amazing shows. We're here for dinner. We have veg kolhapuri. This is marwadi papad saag roti. इसमें hot and sour soup था, but it's over. And then some veg pulao as well. Good morning. It's the next day and it's 6:30 right now. We are on our way for the Periyar Lake boating ride, and we're going for this tiger reserve boating thing. So it was off from a long time, but आज खुल गया है, तो अच्छा है कि हमें मिलेगा सब एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. And the timings are from 7 to 9, so it's going to be a good time in the forest. So let's go. Say hi. They're sitting right there. She's gotten that first seat to explore a little bit more. And they have this bus system जो पूरा भर के लेके जाते हैं to the boating place. So we're waiting for other people to join and then we'll go. Inside, they're sitting for the officials to come and say let's go. But we are here in front of the lake waiting for our timing to start. I think it will start on 7:30 sharp, and it's beautiful. It's cold a little bit. It's beautiful. This is how it's looking, and they have made the sitting area to kind of sit and wait. We are entering the boat. We're going upstairs. This is how it looks. I'm all set and it's just about to begin. थोड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, so everybody is in. Start the ride. It's on. शुरू हो गया. And right now it's almost 5. We are at the Jatayu Earth Center. हम यहाँ ऊपर रोप वे के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. And we are just about to go and visit the sculpture. This is the top floor जहाँ पे cable cars आती जाती है. There. So we are waiting for one. in the cable car. Excited na ba? That's exciting. There it is. So we are up here near this Jatayu sculpture, and right in front of the sculpture we have this Lord Rama's मंदिर, और उसके पीछे यहाँ पे है राम भगवान के फुटप्रिंट्स, ऐसा ये लोग कह दिस इज द फुटप्रिंट्स, दे आर क्लेमिंग दैट लॉर्ड रामा's फुटप्रिंट्स. दिस इज द टॉप व्यू, और यहाँ पे ये मंदिर है, इसके अंदर राम भगवान की मूर्ति है पूरी सोने की बनी हुई. And this side is a bird sculpture. Checking in after a little bit. It's 6:30 right now, and we are in Varkala. So after that whole Jatayu experience, we have a booking in Varkala, and Varkala is a mix of an experience when you go to Goa and Pondicherry. So right now we just checked into our resort, and now we're gonna change and go and explore the beach, and then do some interesting activity that we've already planned. So come on. So this is the resort. That's our room, and this is how it's looking. It's pretty. अभी just यहाँ पे बारिश हुई, so ये गीला है. And they have this unique thing over here, जहाँ पे वो सारे rooms पे ऐसे पूरे इंडिया के अलग अलग states and city के नाम देते हैं. So this one has Guwahati. मेरे room का नाम है त्रिपुरा. So that's something cool I found. But this is the vibe. Now I'm probably gonna change and quickly go to the beach. It is popular in Varkala. That beach has this cliff thing. तो यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा वो cool है और popular है. And कल सुबह हमारा थोड़ा जल्दी चेकआउट है. So we are going to the beach right now because we don't have an extra amount of time. हम अभी इतना फास्ट इसलिए कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इन द ओरिजिनल प्लान हमने वर्कला लास्ट में रखा था, बट सिंस देयर हैड टू बी सम चेंजेस, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव एंड वी आर गोना मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. सो लेट्स गो एंड एंजॉय. Currently having dinner. We've gotten pastas, noodles, and then some dal rice for balance. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. and we are heading to the beach. क्योंकि टाइम कम है तो we are making the most of it. तो इस वक्त भी हम बीच के लिए जा रहे हैं. अंदर की किसी गली का रास्ता है जो रात को हमने एक्सप्लोर किया था. So we're going this way only. બનાવ્યું બતાડો.
I can feel it in the future. I can see it.
Hi, so it's the same day after that Varkala beach thing in the morning happened. We are finally in LP right now. It's 1:30 and I am in a houseboat. So we just checked into this beautiful houseboat. I'm surely giving you a tour of the whole thing. But before that, I wanted to say something that in the morning we did one activity on the beach, which was I'll show you. Wait. Krisha had seen this Instagram reel where you go on a beach and then you do this canvas painting thing. So here we are with our canvases. This one's Krisha's. She's done this. And then this one's mine. And we enjoyed it too much. It was so fun. So if you ever go to a beach, you should definitely try this activity. You'll love it. You'll love it. Start the tour. So यहाँ से हमने एंटर किया. ये पूरा लिविंग एरिया है. यहाँ बीच में डाइनिंग एरिया है. There's a TV. दोनों साइड सिटिंग है. And then you go into this gully thing. And the first bedroom is this one. So ये मेरा और कृषा का bedroom है. This has a nice cozy bed. This is the washroom. It's like a compact but beautiful one. Then moving on, there's this mirror, and then यहाँ पे है the window from where you can see the outside world. Moving on, यहाँ पे बीच में है एक basin with a mirror, and then this is the bedroom number 2, mom and dad's, and then same यहाँ पे है पूरी खिड़की, mirror, and then the washroom. This is not it. We have first floor as well. So we are moving on the first floor, and then here is the sitting. They're enjoying clearly. And the ride has started. And now we sit for lunch.
Okay, enjoy the rest. Thank you.
And we are having lunch in an houseboat. How do you feel?
Very exclusive.
चलो अब ये प्लेट भरने की बारी है. Time for some coffee and bhajiyas. It's 4:45, but it's clearly some time when the rain is about to come. It feels that it's going to come. Look at that. And it's raining and we have a rainbow visible. See. It's time for kayaking. Now we are doing kayaking. It's the next day and it's probably the last day of the trip. It's 8:20 right now and we're here on the table for some breakfast. Last evening the kayaking session was so much fun, and after that we just had good fruits and good dinner and chatted and chilled and then we slept, so we couldn't catch up with you, but now I'm catching up and I'll show you what we have for the breakfast. So we have idlis, coconut chutney, sambar and coffee on the way. How was the kayaking session? Hello.
Kayaking session was a surprise gift.
Do you recommend to do it?
Of course, everyone should go for it.
What about you?
It was good, but I struggled a bit.
Yes. Whatever may be the experience, you should definitely at least try it once and do it. It's 10 on 10 recommend. 10 on 10.
You'll get a little wet, but it's good. You'll have fun.
She had that wet thing जो हमें नहीं हुई, but उसके चप्पू में से बहुत पानी निकल रहा था. Started to rain heavily. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. It's 10 a.m. and we are at the Black Sea. This is actually Alleppey का beach. This connects from the Varkala का जो beach आता है. So आगे यहाँ पे जो connect होता है, this is called the Black Sea. यहाँ की ये रेत भी पूरी black है, देखो. It's raining. एंड सुबह 10 बजे हम बीच पे हैं फुल रेडी होके, एंड दिस इज आवर आउटफिट्स. एवरीबडी हैज रोल्ड अप द बॉटम्स. दिस इज द होल बीच. अभी पूरा एकदम खाली है. It's 12:30 right now and we are on another beach. It's the Marari beach in Alleppey and अभी काफी सनी है, बट हम आज कोइंसिडेंटली 2 बीच पे गए विद कार्गोज ऑन. बट इट्स अ गुड बीच एंड थोड़ा सा सनी है तो अभी अच्छा है. इट्स गुड. This is the beach. Right now we are at this Coir Museum in LP. Coir is basically गुजराती में उसे बोलते हैं वो सुतड़ी, जिससे हम हमारे पता है वो कोई इस मटेरियल से बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनती है, जैसे डोर मैट या फिर सोफाज में यूज़ होता है. यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने जो लगाया है चीज़ें, वहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है कि मेडल्स में यूज़ होता है. I'll show you how it looks. Basically this is how the different objects they've made. It looks. This is the Coir material. These are some of the artworks that they have laid over here. पूरा Coir से बना है. Hello back. So right now we are in our last hotel of our trip. We are in LP and we are in this resort called Pagoda. हमने I think 1-1.5 घंटे पहले check in किया and we did the sightseeing of LP, also known as Alappuzha, and it's very beautiful. It's very like green and tropical and everything fresh. So we did a bunch of cool and exciting things. We shopped from a local handloom and we also bought some banana chips, of course. Now I will give you the room tour quickly because this is the last one and they're probably heading back to the home tomorrow morning. So let's see the room. So that's where you enter, and then firstly to the left we have a dining table, then the bed with a side table, and that side we have a sofa, a center table with a chair again. This side we have this huge table, TV unit, and then to the right it's the closet, and then over here is the washroom. And then moving on, there's this mid-size mirror, and here we have a balcony as well. So it also has this beautiful jhula and it's quite a big one. We also have a little utility area over here with this thing for clothes, and then यहाँ थोड़ा सा local है background, सब रह रहे हैं. And this is that's the pool of our resort. So let's see if we can go and enjoy. So that's the beautiful room. This is the brand from where we picked a sari and a dress material. It's quite good. I love it. Now there are I think 2 or 3 places left in LP that we didn't go to today. So we're probably going to them tomorrow morning. One of them is of course the lighthouse. एक बहुत खूबसूरत मंदिर भी है. So we're going to go there tomorrow morning. And right now we're just chilling. We'll maybe go to the pool or just walk around, have a good dinner, and then sleep nice. And it's been a great trip overall. And Kerala has been lovely. It's truly God's own country. Every single day has been beautiful in its own way, and every single day had things that was not repeated, or that wasn't like we did already, and it's like a oh ye to wahi cheez kar rahe hai ya repeat ya this that. It wasn't at all that way. So that was the best part. And it was like a complete wholesome trip anyone can ask for. I really enjoyed every single day. And which one's my favorite? I'm gonna pick it tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow now. Good morning. It's the next day and I'm all ready. आज हम लाइट हाउस जाने वाले हैं. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर लाइट हाउस. पहले दिन से मुझे लाइट हाउस के लिए पता नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट थी. सो आज फाइनली ऑन द लास्ट डे वी आर गोइंग टू द लाइट हाउस. एंड अभी बज रहे हैं 8:45. वी आर गोइंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. उसके बाद थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टी में टाइम पास करेंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे, फोटोज ऑफ कोर्स, एंड देन विल हेड टू द रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ Alleppey aka Alappuzha. दिस इज़ द मॉर्निंग सीन. मैंने रेडी होके ये किया एंड कृष्णा ने भी रेडी होके यही किया बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दैट वी हैड. नहीं मिलने वाला है. एंड वी आर ऑन द टेबल विथ full spread of breakfast, toasts, dosa, idli, some watermelon and some juice. Last day. So right now we are at this Rajrajeshwari temple, and this is a very huge campus. The temple has multiple deities, बहुत सारे देवी देवता के मंदिर है. But the best part is just about to come. I'll just make you see it. Just look at this elephant. ये यहाँ का सबसे बड़े दांत वाला एलिफेंट है. इस मंदिर को ये सर्व करता है एलिफेंट. उन्हें जस्ट अभी फूड दिया है. सो इज अबाउट टू हैव फूड. सी जस्ट लुक एट हिम, ही इज सो ह्यूज. एंड नाउ वी आर फाइनली एट द लाइट हाउस. दैट्स द एंट्रेंस. And then this is the lighthouse. That's the campus. वहाँ पे वो सेम हाथी का रेप्लिका है. That's so cute. And then this is of course the lighthouse. Now we're going up. Now going inside. पूरी सीढ़ी.
सीढ़ी तो सरस बनाई है. ये
फाइनल सीढ़ी. And I'm at the top. Oh my god. Finally, that's the beach. नीचे वाड़ बुद्धू. हाय मम्मी. वाव, मस्त हवा છે. With this, we've come towards the end of this vlog / this trip / my beautiful Kerala experience. I think Kerala has truly been God's own country. Every single day, every single experience that we've had, it was so beautiful. It's just unmatched. So I loved every single day. And आज भी बहुत मज़ा आया सुबह. Just see this. Oh my God. सुबह भी हम मंदिर गए एंड देन यहाँ लाइट हाउस आए. सो इट्स बिन अ होलसम ट्रिप. एंड इफ यू एवर थिंक टू डू अ ट्रिप टू केरला, please do visit Kerala. It's beautiful. And my favorite day has been the days when there's a temple. So today was one, and the one when we visited Guruvayur and Vadakunathan. But other than that, every single day was a beautiful experience.